Good morning, class 6th. Let's start here. Next page of journal knowledge. The page number is 9. Topic name is beneficial plants. Plants give us many things. They give us food, clothes, paper, medicine, and many more things. They help in purifying the atmosphere. Also, plants give us oxygen, which is essential for our survival. So the question from these lines will be, what do we get from plants? Now move to the first one, that is, it is considered sacred by the Hindus. Its leaves are used to cure cough, cold, and digestive disorder. The name of the plant is basil, that is known as a tulsi in India. Indian people worship tulsi also because it is a sacred plant. Now move to the second one, a native of Europe. Its seeds are used to make the drug digitals, which is useful for the people for the weak heart. These seeds are used to make the medicines for the heart patient. The name of the plant is foxglove. Now move to the third. This it is known as golden spice of India. Its root is dried, ground, and added with food. It is very powerful antiseptic. That is turmeric. Turmeric is very famous in Indian kitchen. People use or consume turmeric in day-to-day life because of its beneficial properties. Turmeric is also known as immunity booster. It helps the body, it protects the body from many disease. Now move to the fourth one. The fourth is, this tree takes 5 years to produce the first beans or pods. These beans are used to make chocolate, that is cocoa. Now next one is, a strong smelling resin is obtained from this plant by using the cuts in the top of the taproot, that is asphodela. It is also very useful for the people. This spice is used in the Indian kitchens in different vegetables, and it also have a lot of beneficial properties. Now move to the sixth one. India is the largest producer of this resin. It helps in digestion and cure cough and cold, that is ginger. Ginger is very famous in India. About in all vegetables we are using it. Moreover, people use the ginger in tea also because of its beneficial properties. It is very useful for the body. It protects the body from a virus and all other things. It is also known as a immunity booster. So doctors always suggest to consume the ginger in day to day life. It is very useful for the human body. Now move to the seventh one. The wood of this tree is used for makeup, cream, and medical purpose also. It is used in medicines also. Moreover, the this wood is one of the purest wood in Hindu mythology, and the name of the wood is sandal wood. It is also used to make the incense sticks. It is mostly used in temples also. Moreover, it is used for the creams and the medicines also. Now move to the last one. The leaves of this plant are used to color the skin and hair. Its flowers are used to make perfume also. The answer is henna. I hope you all are able to understand it, because you all are familiar with all the terms as we are using it in our day-to-day life. So read it properly, understand it properly, because many important questions are there. The most important question is, who is known as a golden spice of India? The answer is turmeric. Many question, the point 1 and the point 6, it is also very important. So read it properly, understand it properly. Thank you so much. Have a good day.